When it comes to revitalizing old and original paintwork, SCHOLL Concepts S20 Black is the simple solution to achieving a superb high-gloss finish. A unique one-step high-performance compound, it's perfect for removing light to heavy defects on weathered paint surfaces and up to P2000 sanding marks. SCHOLL Concepts S20 Black works superbly with any of 4 technical polishing pads. Which one you use is down to the paint type you're working on and the severity of the defects you want to remove. 3 are spider pads, designed to remove moderate to heavy imperfections with a calibrated surface for maximum performance. The increased surface area boosts the pad's ability to absorb compound, enhancing its cutting power and reducing panel heat. The navy blue spider pad is designed for modern scratch-resistant and ceramic clear coats and works brilliantly on these exceptionally hard and difficult to polish surfaces. For conventional paint types, the purple spider pad with its superior foam and coarse porous structure is the one to use. When it comes to polishing soft paint types, opt for the fine porous surface of the SCHOLL Concepts Honey Spider Pad. To remove any light scratches, stubborn swirls or holograms, the finesse of the black soft touch waffle is your best solution. The special Scorpione black metallic paintwork on this Fiat 500 Abarth has numerous minor defects such as swirls and fine scratches, commonly caused by general wear and tear and sometimes poor washing techniques. We've matched S20 Black with a purple spider pad, and we need to start by priming the pad because it's new. Add a few pea-sized drops of S20 onto the pad's surface and we're ready to polish. With gentle pressure, the compound will cut initially to remove the defects. Continue to polish, letting the machine and pad do the work, and watch the gloss emerge. Wipe off any minimal residue with a soft green polishing cloth and take a look at the results. After polishing, the swirls and light scratches that were visible under the inspection light have disappeared, and the metallic paint surface is defect-free and its gloss restored. SCHOLL Concepts S20 Black is an exceptional polishing compound with a superb cutting performance. Match with the correct polishing pad for the paint type you're working on, it delivers a superior high-gloss finish every time.